you have this, there is no reason for you not to be making money right now. The amount of stuff you can do with just your phone is actually endless. And if you don't know how to do any of them, well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start using your phone to make money this year. Now, I could easily say in the title how to make money in 1 week, 2 weeks, even a month, because truth is, it's possible. You can start making money as quickly as a month. But I say this year because I know most people won't get to work right away, or probably won't even be consistent with their work, or probably won't even be consistent with their work. So a year is a long enough time frame for you to implement everything I say in this video. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. This video is going to be very raw. I'm talking so raw to the point where Liver King could actually eat this video. And you know why he'll want to eat it? Because this video will have so much steroids in it for you to get rich. So if you can't focus with me talking to you one-on-one, or one on however many views this video gets, then this video just might not be for you. Before I tell you exactly what the secret is to start making money this year, I want to tell you what I used to do when I was just a 15-year-old boy trying to make some money to fund my FIFA packs addiction. All I did back in the day was just flip items on Facebook Marketplace. I used to be one of those guys who would buy shoes and resell them, but I didn't do it the way that people do it nowadays, where you buy new shoes and buy them in bulk and sell them. No, I used to buy used shoes, clean them up, and then sell them. And I used to find items around my house, list them on Marketplace and sell them. I used to even do dropshipping the most organic way possible. I used to buy items off of AliExpress, like a graphic tee for like $5, and then list it on Marketplace and sell it for like $30. Because back in those days, $20 was like $20,000 to me. Now, you know what was the biggest mistake that I made, which probably cost me thousands of dollars? It was not realizing what the full potential of social media is. I didn't take it seriously. I didn't want to take it seriously because I thought that everybody on social media was just douchebags and chodes. So I didn't actually understand the potential that it had for me to make money. But I was wrong, because right now, if you want to start making money off of your phone, to be honest, you kind of almost have to be on social media in some way. Now, let me tell you what my philosophy is on how to actually make money. And you've probably heard this before, and I truly believe in this. It's not how to make money. It's how to convince somebody to give you money. And by that, I don't mean go and beg for money. It's what are you going to give in exchange for money? So once you understand that, now you have to think, what is it that I'm going to give? So this is when you're going to start doing product research. Most people sell physical products online to make money, which there's nothing wrong with. I personally don't think it's the best idea, because with your physical product, you have to worry about shipment, you have to worry about fulfillment, you have to worry about a lot of stuff, you have to worry about your inventory. There's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind when you're selling a physical product. Now, what I like a lot more than physical products are digital products, because you can sell anything you want with a digital product. And with physical products, most physical products can no longer be in demand, whereas digital products could always be in demand. What product is it that people always want and will always want? And that product is information. Selling information will never not be in demand, because there are always going to be people who want to learn. Now, the reason why I told you what I used to do when I was 15 is because I'm going to explain to you how you can start making money based off of what I should have done when I was 15. So I told you I used to flip items on Facebook Marketplace, and I told you that social media is very important, and I told you that information as a digital product is very good. I used to flip items on Marketplace. What I should have done was go on social media and pretty much put it out there and give value on how to flip items on Facebook Marketplace. Even though I was a 15-year-old stud just flipping items on Marketplace, I was in no way means an expert, but I knew more than the person that's never flipped items before. So if I make good enough videos on social media, that in itself will work as a traffic source for me to sell my digital product. The most important thing is, though, the type of content that I will be posting. I would need to be posting content that's actually valuable and would actually help somebody. For example, I could post a video such as how I make an extra $1,000 a month as a 15-year-old kid on Facebook. Because your main goal is to drive as much traffic possible to your account and also gain as much followers as you can, because all those followers are potential customers for you. If you want to take it to the next level, you can even build an email list so you can sell directly to your email list. And in terms of what product am I going to be selling, when it comes to digital products, I think that there are 3 very good products that you can sell. The first being an ebook, because it's very easy to make and you can sell it for a cheap amount, so it's easier to sell. The second being a course. You can sell a course. Don't overcomplicate how you make the course. You can do the course on whatever you want, anything that you know and that you feel comfortable teaching. Or you can do a mentorship. So in the end, the way it works is You have the skill that you know. Don't need to be a professional at it. You just need to know it enough. You are going to show that skill on social media and provide value in the process so people can follow you, which then would lead them to your digital product. Now, how do you make a digital product? I'm not going to put a tutorial in this video on how to make a digital product. Instead, I'm going to explain to you in 1 minute how you can make the best digital product in the world. Let's say, for example, I'm selling a course or an ebook on the secrets to becoming the best salesman. Now, I have 3 years in sales experience. What I'm going to do is I'm going to picture myself as somebody with 0 sales experience. I'm going to picture myself as the customer who wants to be in the position that I am. And I'm going to make a course or an ebook based off of everything that I learned to be in the position where I am today. Once you start thinking as the customer and what would help you as the customer to get to the point that you are today, you're going to be able to make the best course. Now listen, a lot of people say courses are scammy. A lot of people think courses are scammy. Courses are not scammy if you're actually helping somebody. And if you teach everything that you know and everything that helped you get to the position that you are at today, and if your position is good, you're not scamming anybody. You're actually helping somebody attain more because you have technically accomplished more than them in the field of which you're teaching. Now, I'm not going to leave you here. I'm going to give you a few more examples on how to do this, just so I can actually remove any sort of excuse you have in your head right now. You know what? I'm feeling a little cheeky right now. I'm going to give you 2 in 1. I'm going to give you 2 examples in 1. Let's pretend you're a fitness guy. You work out, you have an average body, nothing crazy. You're not insanely jacked, but you're not fat and you're not skinny. You have a good physique, all right? And let's pretend you're a dropshipping guy. And let's pretend you're a dropshipper. You haven't made $1 million. You haven't even made $100,000, but you've made $30,000 a year. That's like a part-time salary. That's not bad. You're not the best dropshipper in the world, but you make the same amount as somebody who works a part-time job. Now remember, if you're selling a course or an ebook or a mentorship on fitness, let's say you're selling a fitness program. Your fitness program is not going to be sold to Sam Sulek or Sebum or Bradley Martin because those guys are at a higher level than you. Your course is going to be sold to the people who are at a lower point than you. And if you're a dropshipper, your course is not going to be sold to Luke Belmar. Your course is going to be sold to the people who, for example, if you make $30K a year, that's a part-time worker's salary, your course is going to be sold to the part-time workers who want to make money in dropshipping because they don't like the fact that they're working a job. They want to do online business. They want to do dropshipping. So your course is going to be sold to them. Or your course is going to be sold to the people who have never done dropshipping before because you know more than them. Now, how is it that you're going to sell that course? Like I said, social media is very important. It's pretty much a free traffic source. We're not paying for ads here. We're not paying for anything. Given that you post consistently and post good content, that's all you need to actually get sales for your product. So if you're a fitness guy, what I would do, I would make videos about your workouts. Like I would make a video, my top 3 tricep exercises that made my arms rip through my shirt. People would want to watch that. Or what I ate every single day that got me to 180 pounds of pure muscle. You want to learn how to make actual good videos. And if you're a dropshipper, the thing is with e-com, people mainly want to see the lifestyle and what you're able to get with what you're doing. But it doesn't have to be that luxurious. Like you don't have to be posting pictures of Lamborghinis. I've seen people on Instagram, I've seen 2 dropshipping guys on Instagram. One who most his videos, he's selling a course by the way, most his videos, he's pretty much showing off his BMW M3. And it's an F80 by the way, it's not a G80. And there's another guy who's pretty much just showing off his car as well, and it's a BMW 340. Nothing against those cars by the way, those are beautiful cars. I love BMWs. But what I'm trying to say is they're not showing overly expensive cars. They're not showing Lamborghinis, Bugattis, Ferraris. They're not showing any of that stuff. They're showing easily attainable cars. There are still people who are much better than them, but they're still able to get sales. And you'd obviously also want to post content related to your field, not just showing off what you have. You can post videos such as how I was able to replace my 9-to-5 with e-com, or the secret that no dropshipping guru will tell you. And by the way, secret most of the time isn't really a secret. It's like the most obvious thing in the world. And once you've built a following, that's when you'll start pretty much promoting your digital product. And if you're thinking that the market that you want to go into is oversaturated, that's the worst thing you can think about. I've said this before and I'll always say this. If you think your market is oversaturated, that's not the case. Because everything is saturated nowadays. There's people in every single market. There's competition in every single market. You will not find a market that does not have other competition. The difference is you. If you think something's oversaturated, it's just because your work is not good enough. So apart from the skill that you're obviously teaching people, The most important skill you need to know is marketing and how you can actually convince somebody to buy your product. And that's all done through the videos that you put out. And also keep in mind, you're not going to see results the first day or the second day. You need to put out a lot of videos before you start seeing results. But given that you're very good at marketing and very good at creating videos, then you will see results quicker than most. But if you want to learn how to make very good videos, if you want to learn how to sell anything to anyone, doesn't matter what the product is, doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter about anything, then join my Telegram in the description. I'm going to start posting more frequently on there. I'm going to start giving you guys all the information that I know on how to sell. I'll also probably be linking soon a couple of videos on there that I won't be posting on here. Those videos will tell you everything I know in 3 years of sales experience that helped me sell anything I want. Now, if you didn't understand everything I said in this video, watch it as many times as you need to actually understand everything, because what I just said right now, it's nothing special. Like, it's actually nothing special. Everybody knows this, but the difference is that nobody actually knows the step-by-step process on how to do it, or you're just too lazy to actually do it. I want you to actually watch this video as many times as you need to understand everything I said so you can implement it today. But yeah, apart from that, just get to work.